Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix X timeline. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your X app or Twitter app, and here on the front page or your timeline, what you need to do is just simply select or unfollow the account that you don't want. Tap on it and then unfollow it, and once you do that, select the accounts that you want to follow and select the accounts that you don't want to follow. Once you have done with that, go to the top and then refresh the app. According to your like and follow, it will show that in your timeline. And now the next thing that you can do is head over to your search bar, delete anything that you don't want or that you don't like, and once you're done with that, simply select, let me just select this one, trending Alia. I don't want to see anything related to this post. Simply tap on not interested in this, and then once you do that, go back and then try again, and the X will basically change your timeline according to your like and your users in the app. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.